Hello, my wonderful students. It's Mrs. Darmody again. This is my next video tutorial to talk about how to use the video tutorials for Scratch. So once you have signed in, of course, I'm already signed in over here. To go to the tutorials, you would click here to go to Ideas. And you'll notice you can choose a tutorial there. There's the Getting Started tutorial, which should be the first one you try. And then all the activity guides are here. So if I want to see all the tutorials, I can click right here. And it brings me to all the tutorials. You will eventually be doing almost all of these tutorials because each one will show you specific tools that it would be good for you to know how to use to create really fun animations and stories and eventually games that keep score and keep time and things like that. But for the first one, what you would do is you would click on Getting Started. And what you'll notice it does is it actually brings you into the interface where you can start your programming. And here's the tutorial right here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to play the little video. And it's usually a very brief video with little closed captions in some cases. Okay. So once you have watched the whole video, then you need to make sure you click on this arrow to get more information and step-by-step instructions. So you click on the arrow and it says add a move block and actually shows you how to do it. So you could actually go into your thing and do it. So you could move this out of the way and then you could actually bring over a move block like that. And then you can click on the next piece. It says click on the green flag to get started. It shows you how to bring that in. So I can click over here, get the green flag, and it says say hello. So that would be under looks. So I can go to looks, grab the say hello, throw it in, although I don't want to stay on the screen the whole time, so I probably want to use this one. And then I can go to the next one, and so on and so forth. Okay, you can shrink it, you can go back to tutorials, you can close it, or you can see more. Go back to the tutorials. So that's how you do that, and then you just do what it says, okay? To go back to those tutorials, of course, you can go right here and click on them. All right. So if I'm in here, as far as this interface goes, how did I get here? Well, if I wanted to leave this, I'm going to go back because I really don't want that. But to create, I click on this. Click on create. And then it brings me to the creating a project here. So you've got your stage over here on the right. The Scratch Cat is the default sprite character. They're called sprites, but you don't have to use them. Then on the left, you've got a category of coding blocks. These are all categorized by the type of coding block it is, and they're color coded as well. So you've got your motion, you've got looks, or you can just scroll up and down using this as well. Costumes are different ways that a sprite or object can look. So if you click on that, you'll notice that the Scratch Cat has two costumes, as it's called. Costume 1 is him walking. Costume 2 is his running. And then your sounds are here. There's a meow sound. You don't have to use that. You can bring in another sound from the sound library. Back to the coding. You go here, and you can start doing things here.